The king of the jungle is always a lion, even though it knows when to roar and when to back off. Remind yourself of your inherent strength and regal spirit when life throws you a curveball. You will always be guided by your mission, even if the storm tries to darken it. The lion's roar trembles the ground to remind everyone of its existence, not because it is angry. You also need to remind them of your value. There is no setback that can take away your inner strength and attractiveness. Despite being injured, a lion walks with pride. The scars you have are evidence of your struggles and fortitude. Every stride forward is a victory over hardship, so take a proud stance and show the world your strength. In order to become stronger, lions embrace being alone rather than dread it. Spending time alone allows you to reconnect with your inner strength and find a new direction. Loneliness is not what solitude is. It is readiness. It takes perseverance, concentration, and resolve to chase a lion. If you use your energy effectively, you can still achieve your goals. Strive for what really matters and use failures as teaching opportunities rather than obstacles. A lion's concentration is unfazed by impending danger. Don't lose sight of your goals and follow your mission. An ambition for excellence cannot be crushed by distractions. A lion's roar is an exhortation to act, not only for its own pride but also for others. Don't be afraid to speak up and let others know that your journey is far from over. Unity and creativity are the sources of power. With poise, accuracy, and cooperation, the lioness hunts. Take a cue from her. Any challenge will be overcome if you surround yourself with people who encourage and empower you. Lions are aware of the best times to attack and when to preserve energy. Effectively manage your emotional energy and channel it toward creating the life you deserve. Patience will bring satisfaction. The sun's light is reflected in the golden mane of the lion, symbolizing its eternal spirit. Despite the darkness around you, let your light shine through. Your soul is indestructible. The courage of a lion is in choosing to act in face of fear, not in not being afraid. With a champion's heart, you can bravely face life's obstacles. Lions stay vigilant even when they are sleeping. Plan your next course of action and fortify your determination during these reflective periods. It is readiness, not weakness, to rest. A lion's wounds are not signs of defeat, but of survival. Wearing your experiences with pride serves as a reminder of your strength and the victories you have achieved. Lions walk with self-assurance, understanding their value. Live your life with the same confidence because you are valuable and have a bright future. Although the lion's domain is large, it takes it one step at a time to conquer it. Acknowledge development in minor triumphs. You get one step closer to the life you want with every step you take. A lion knows when to put itself first, while also defending its pride. Make taking care of yourself a priority, since it is the cornerstone of long-lasting strength. Lions live true to themselves. They don't measure themselves against others. Accept your individual route because it is distinct from everyone else's and has its own benefits. There is a rhythm of determination in the lion's heartbeat. Give way to your greatest dreams and never question your ability to succeed. Even the strongest lions go through storms, yet they persevere because they follow their gut. Have faith that you will overcome the obstacles in life and come out stronger. Lions are aware that flexibility is necessary for survival. Accept change as a chance to develop and flourish, certain that you can overcome any obstacle. The stare of a lion is unwavering and steady. Remain focused and avoid letting short-term setbacks divert you from your long-term objectives. Although lions cherish their individuality, they also defend their pride. Develop your independence and believe that you can succeed on your own. A lion's instincts lead it, even on the darkest of nights. Have faith in your instincts to guide you toward fresh starts and more promising futures. The jungle echoes with the roar of a lion, announcing its presence. Make your intentions known to the world and pursue them with unyielding determination. The lion's strength comes from both its strength and its fortitude. Use that resiliency to overcome obstacles and design a meaningful life. Lions fight for a reason, even though they recognize that conflicts are inevitable in life. Make intelligent fighting choices and concentrate on the important things. People are inspired to rise by the inspiring courage of a lion. By accepting your power and resolve, you can inspire everyone around you. The roar of a lion is a promise as well as a warning. As you reconstruct and take back your life, let your deeds speak louder than words. A lion's power originates internally rather than from approval from others. Discover your inner power and use it to propel yourself to new heights. Lions concentrate on the hunt ahead rather than the past. Keep your sights on the future and allow it to motivate you to keep going. Its strength and family are a lion's pride. Be in the company of people who affirm your value. The lion follows its instincts, which are not impacted by uncertainty. Embrace your inner guidance as it guides you toward recovery and development. A lion will fight to the death if it is injured. You can overcome any hurdle by embracing your inner warrior and using your resolve. A golden lion's mane represents overcoming obstacles. Wear your victories with pride as they demonstrate your perseverance. Lions are self-assured and don't look for approval. You're destined for greatness, so live your life with that same confidence. The journey of the lion is one of bravery, power, and purpose. You will discover the fulfillment and prosperity you are entitled to if you approach your path with the same determination. A lion's cry serves as a reminder of its existence to the world and is not simply about strength. Raise your voice to remind yourself and everyone else that you are still here and prepared to overcome the obstacles and take your rightful place. A lion continues to move forward even when faced with terrible circumstances. You're pushing away from what no longer works for you and toward what makes you stronger with each stride. The wisdom and experiences of the lion are reflected in its mane, which becomes broader and more brilliant with age. Accept life's lessons and allow them to accentuate your strength and beauty. Lions are brave leaders, not afraid ones. Acknowledging that reluctance just postpones the greatness that awaits you, take courageous moves on the path toward a brighter future. A praise song to perseverance is the lion's shout. Let your deeds become the theme for your triumph, demonstrating to both you and other people your fearlessness. With the assurance that the sun will rise again, lions brave any storm. Have faith that you will eventually experience better days because you will persevere. A lion searches for the next thing, not for what has been lost. Continue keeping your focus on the future, understanding that it is far more important than the past. The lion's strength is found in its independence and togetherness with the pride. Trust yourself to overcome the challenges of life, but rely on those who encourage you. Because they can adapt to the challenges of the jungle, lions flourish in any setting. Acknowledge that change is a necessary part of the journey and learn to grow stronger from every experience. Despite uncertainty, the lion's gaze remains unwavering. Continue to see clearly and unwaveringly because you know that the future holds boundless opportunities and fresh hope. Every step a lion takes in the forests shapes its story, and it knows this. Recognize every barrier as a step closer to greatness, knowing that your path has a purpose and meaning. Healing takes time, even for the most vicious lion. Remember that moments of self-compassion and care bring back strength, so give yourself the time you need to heal. The ability to withstand the savannah's heat demonstrates a lion's freedom of movement. Handle the stresses of life with the same flexibility, changing your direction, but never your resolve. The lion's ability to remain composed in the face of disaster is what gives it power. When life feels too much to handle, find inner peace and proceed with calm assurance. Lions develop relationships that bolster their pride. Look for partnerships that encourage you and serve as a reminder of your value and possibilities. As a sign of its dedication, the lion's magnificent mane gets thicker with each passing season. Allow each stage of life to enhance your genius and make you a tougher version of yourself. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Remember to share, like, comment, subscribe, and press the notification bell. Together, let's keep spreading happiness. It's your support that keeps this community alive. Again, thank you all and keep rockin'.